Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Patrick. Today is the lesson number 8 of my PHP basic series. Okay, today I'm going to talk about function. Okay, function in PHP. Alright, so the syntax, let me clean up a little bit of my previous code. Maybe I won't stay here. Okay. Alright, so a function is called, let's say a function is my name, for example. Okay, alright, so if I'll do a comparison, okay, this is the syntax. Okay, this is a very basic one. Okay, later I'll explain to you what are value variable and also value parameter and also variable parameter. Okay, how to use them and what is the return value of a function. Okay, so if name equals to example, then return true. Okay, else return false. Example. Okay, so this is the example of a function for PHP. So I will call the function straight away. Let's say I want to call if is my name. Example 2. Okay, so because it's written, this function is returning true or false, so I just stay here, then echo yes. Is my name Sue? Yes. Else echo no. Okay, so that is how the function work. Okay, let's refresh the page and see how is the outcome. So it's returning no because the function runs through the statements and determine that it is not So it's this parameter passing into the name and it's comparing Sue. Name is Sue, right? So Sue equals to no. So you return false. Okay, so this will return false, and if false, it will go to else, but it will echo no. Alright, so if I were to change it to example, okay, it will return a yes. It will print a yes. Okay, alright, it will print a yes. Okay, this is one of it. Okay, now I want to change it a little bit. Probably return value. So right now I want to evaluate what return value is. So with this symbol, I will tell PHP to copy the return value back to the outside of the function. You see, if you assign a variable over here, let's say I assign I is equal once, then I is only valid inside this function. Function is my name. I is 1. Outside of function is my name, the I is not 1 anymore. It's something else. Right? It's not valid anymore. So same for the parameter. If you didn't put this signal, this character, then it won't copy the value back to the variable that outside of the function. Okay, so for this one, the name is only used inside the function. Okay, so what I'm doing is to tell the PHP to copy it back. So whenever Okay, now the calling function will be a little bit different. Okay, you have to call is my name, then we return value. Okay, so this is no more, should not return anything, but instead you assign it with a value. Okay, so in this way it will refer to this value also. So this return value is outside of functions, right or not? So this value and this value is actually the same value. So it will copy, it will mirror the value. So then only you can compare. Value echo yes, else echo no, something like that. Okay, so does it print yes or no? It will print yes, right? Okay, you will print yes. Alright, so if I change the value a little bit, okay, you will print no. Alright, so the two of the method are the same. Okay, same it will return the same exactly how it works. But I think the return value is better in terms of readability and also simplicity. Okay, so in this is just for demonstration that you can use the variable in this way. Okay, the parameter in this way. Okay, so the function more or less, I think that should be it. Okay, the function, of course, I will not go into the class-based function. There will be a little bit of extension from what we have over here. Alright, so maybe I will cover that in advanced course, but not in basic course. Basic is just plain code only, right? One by one. Alright, okay, today's lesson until here. Alright, if you like my video, smash the like button, share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification, please. Alright, okay, bye bye, thank you.